Akinyururia gicanjama kia ungumania wa ciringi mbilioni ithano ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri, mutongoria wa Raila Odinga ni arokereire President Uhuru Kenyatta akiuga imwe cia kambuni iria ikuruhanitio ngukumio-ini ino arugamiriri acio ni metanitio nake.
Sundales Intenational, which was paid 41 million shillings, features Kathleen Kihanya, Muthama, and Samson Kamiri. The president cannot claim to know nothing about these individuals.
Kathleen Kihanya, umwe wa arugamiriri a kambuni ya Sundales, agwitetera augiite ni mahetwo kandarathi ya kwenderia ministry ya ugima wa mwiri indo, no ni marumiriire mawatho na mitaratara yoothe iria yagiriire.
In November of 2015, the Ministry of Health issued a tender calling for farms to apply to supply various emergency nutritional commodities. Sundales International Limited submitted its application just like everybody else, and following a competitive bidding process, we were awarded a tender worth 41 million shillings.
Athiete na mbere kuga ati kambuni ino ni ikirire ikiro cia iguru cia mitugo miega na ati Raila kumakuruhania na ngukumio-ini kumanyarara.
For someone to cast doubt on our integrity for unnecessary political mileage and exciting the public on false allegations is totally unacceptable, especially when it comes to a person of Raila's standing.
Nieranĩire ati ni meharirie kunyitanĩra na honge ciothe iria iratabania uthuthuria niguo umenyeke na kihoto kioneke. Ona kuhana uguo, maratathi maria monetwo ni Inooro TV monanitie kambuni ino no ikuruhanitio na ngukumio ya Panama Papers kuria ya Kenya 191 merekanite kuhithania mbeca akaunti-ini cia mabũrũri ma nanja matikarihe magoti. No akiaria na njira ya thimu ni akanite uhoro uyu.
I have no knowledge Panama. No, I have no knowledge of anything like that. Our company was registered in Nairobi. We have a certificate of incorporation here in Nairobi, and that's it.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.